Hey traders, welcome back to Discount Trader. In today's analysis, we'll look at how smart money moves the market, step by step. Watch carefully as we identify liquidity sweep, a bearish break of structure, the order block, and our entry towards sell-side liquidity. Let's start from the top. Here, you can see price pushing slightly above previous highs. That's a liquidity sweep. Retail traders think the market is breaking out, but smart money is actually grabbing liquidity from the buy stops resting above these highs. Once the liquidity is taken, notice how momentum starts to shift. This is our first sign that the market might be preparing for a reversal. After the liquidity sweep, price fails to continue higher and breaks below a previous higher low. This gives us a clear bearish break of structure, confirming that sellers are taking control. This structure shift tells us the trend direction has changed from bullish to bearish, setting the stage for our next move. Now, we mark the last bullish candle before the strong bearish move. This is our bearish order block. It represents the area where institutional orders were placed before the market dropped. We'll wait for price to pull back into this order block. That's where we look for confirmation to enter a sell trade. Next, we identify sell-side liquidity, the equal lows or areas where retail traders place their stop losses below the structure. That's our target. We expect price to move down to grab those sell-side liquidity zones as the smart money continues to push price lower. Once price taps into our order block and shows rejection, that's our sell entry. We ride the move all the way down towards sell-side liquidity. Clean, simple, and smart. Trading with the banks, not against them. If you learned something valuable from this breakdown, make sure to follow Discount Trader for more advanced smart money concepts and live chart breakdowns every week.